Think you're fast? Your sneezes are faster. A single sneeze can travel at a staggering 100 miles per hour or 160 kilometers per hour. That is nearly as fast as a professional race car speeding down the track. With that kind of velocity, you are launching over 100,000 germs across the room in just a matter of seconds. It is a literal germ explosion. So unless you want your bacteria to win a drag race against your friends, make sure to cover your mouth every single time.